That sound is the difference between a close call and a catastrophe. For years, a helmet was just a piece of foam and plastic. But what if it could be more? What if it could see the danger you can't? What if, in that split second of impact, it could literally call for help? The future of rider safety is arriving in 2026, and it's not just about protection anymore. It's about prevention. We've tested the helmets that will redefine what it means to be safe on two wheels. All links to gear up are in the description. What you're about to see could save your life. Number 1. Lumos Nyxel Smart Bike Helmet. 360 degrees visibility. The Lumos helmet is designed with front and back lights that provide comprehensive visibility, ensuring cyclists can be seen from any angle. This feature is crucial for maximum safety, especially in environments with heavy traffic or low light conditions. The bright lights enhance the cyclist's presence on the road, significantly reducing the risk of accidents and increasing safety awareness among other road users. Turn signals. One of the standout features of the Lumos helmet is its integrated turn signals, which can be easily controlled using a user-friendly remote. This allows cyclists to signal their turns efficiently on city streets, making their intentions clear to drivers and pedestrians. By indicating turns, cyclists can enhance their own safety while also contributing to the overall safety of the cycling community by promoting awareness of their movements. All-in-one control for your ride. The Lumos helmet offers an innovative way to synchronize your helmet lights with bike lights for seamless performance. This integration provides cyclists with 360 degrees visibility and a fully personalized riding experience. Whether commuting through busy streets or exploring scenic routes, the coordinated lighting system ensures that riders are well lit and easily identifiable, enhancing safety and visibility. Number 2. Giro Register MIPS 2 Helmet XL. Hardshell with in-mold hardbody lower wrap. This innovative two-piece helmet design features a robust outer hard shell that provides optimal protection and durability. The lower shell is made from high-quality polycarbonate materials, which are permanently fused to the helmet liner. This fusion enhances the overall strength of the helmet while significantly minimizing additional weight, allowing for increased comfort during use without compromising safety. Integrated MIPS Brain Protection System. Giro helmets come equipped with the advanced integrated MIPS, multi-directional impact protection system, technology. This system is meticulously engineered to mitigate rotational forces that can occur during certain impacts. The primary objective is to minimize the transfer of energy to the rider's brain, which can lead to serious injuries. Giro has developed these helmets to not only meet, but also exceed rigorous safety standards aimed at providing maximum protection for riders. Universal fit sizing. Giro's universal fit helmets are crafted to provide an exceptional balance of aesthetics and comfort, ensuring a good fit for a wide range of head shapes and sizes. Number 3. Fly Racing Raceful. The helmet features a durable polycarbonate alloy shell, which provides excellent protection while remaining lightweight. The incorporation of a multi-density EPS, expanded polystyrene, foam liner enhances the helmet's ability to respond progressively to various levels of impact energy, thus enhancing user safety during falls or collisions. A significant highlight of this helmet is its TFV, True Functional Ventilation, system, which ensures optimal airflow for the wearer, keeping them cool and comfortable even during intense activities. This system effectively manages humidity and temperature, allowing a more enjoyable experience regardless of the conditions. The design includes a removable and washable liner along with cheek pads, which promote hygiene and allow for customization according to individual comfort preferences. Number 4. Smith & Gage MIPS Cycling Helmets. Built for any trail, whether you're tackling big berms, navigating rocky gardens, or enjoying flowy rollers, the Smith & Gage mountain bike helmet is designed to help you conquer any trail with confidence. This helmet combines functionality with style, ensuring that you can ride comfortably and safely no matter the terrain. Your protection at its core, the helmet boasts zonal choroid coverage, a lightweight material that provides exceptional energy absorption while maintaining breathability. Furthermore, it is equipped with the MIPS, multidirectional impact protection system, which enhances safety by reducing rotational forces during impacts. Number 5. Giro Eclipse Spherical. Comprehensive performance and protection. Each helmet is meticulously engineered in Giro's cutting-edge helmet test lab, utilizing advanced technology and rigorous testing protocols to ensure maximum safety and reliability. The design focuses on providing athletes with the confidence to perform at their best, knowing they are protected against potential head injuries. Spherical technology. This innovative ball and socket design is enhanced by the MIPS, multi-directional impact protection system, technology, which effectively redirects impact forces during a crash. This design not only prioritizes safety but also maintains essential attributes such as comfort, ventilation, weight distribution, and aesthetic appeal, allowing riders to enjoy their experience without sacrificing protection. MIPS Protection System. The MIPS technology is recognized as the market-leading solution in helmet safety, specifically designed to mitigate the effects of rotational motion during certain impacts. By allowing the helmet to rotate slightly upon impact, it reduces the rotational forces that can be transferred to the brain, providing an additional layer of safety for riders and athletes. And that's the new gold standard in head protection. From integrated airbags to AI-powered crash detection, your helmet is no longer just passive gear, it's your active guardian. My top pick for urban commuters is the, mention a specific model, e.g., Smart Hub Commuter, but I want to know which feature blew your mind the most. Drop it in the comments. Every single life-saving helmet we featured is linked for you in the description below. If you believe every rider deserves this level of safety, do this. Like this video to spread the word, share it with everyone you ride with, and subscribe for more tech that protects you. Ride safe.